If you want to learn how to draw wild style, and I will teach you step by step. My name is Louis Chang. What's up, YouTube artists and YouTubers? My name is Louis Chang. Welcome to my channel. If you learn anything from this channel, make a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Pencil stage. In this tutorial, I will be drawing my name Louis in Wildstyle. I always begin with a reference. I search for a basic graffiti font on Google to help guide my structure. From there, I lightly draw 3 horizontal guidelines, one at the top and one in the middle and one at the bottom. Then I sketch out each letter, giving them a slight tilt to create a natural flow. Keep your lines light, don't press too hard with your pencil. This is just the foundation. Once the basic structure is in place, I start to stylize the letters, twisting and bending them to form that classical wild style look. After I am satisfied with the letters, I add extensions and decorative bits to enhance the design. The key here is to avoid too much negative space and keep the composition tight. Next, I move on to 3D effect. Using a ruler, I create a vanishing point beneath the drawing. This will be my perspective reference. I line up the ruler from each corner of the letters to the vanishing point and draw lines to build a block style depth. If you are new to perspective drawing, I recommend checking out YouTube videos on 1, 2, and 3 point perspective for deeper understanding. And once the drawing is complete, I go over the final lines by pressing harder with the pencil and erasing the earlier sketch lines. During the drawing process, I will add music so you can see how it all comes together. But I will pop in to talk again, and when needed, stick around. And if you have any questions, be free to leave the comments. Inking stage. Now onto the inking stage. I refine the pencil drawing first and then erase and go over the lines with pen and ink. Sometimes I think directly over the pencil sketch. I use a fine point pen outline the piece. I vary the line weight using both thin and thick lines to add visual interest and energy. Thicker lines can really help bring the drawing to life. If you are interested in pen and ink techniques, check out the tutorials on comic book inking or pen and ink drawing on YouTube videos. There's a lot of great info out there. Now I am going to put on some music while I ink so you can watch the process.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts.
Coloring stage. For the coloring, I use a split complementary color scheme. In this case, blue, yellow, orange, and red, orange. The markers I am using are not an exact match, but I am working with the colors that are close: horizon blue, canary yellow, saffron gold, and warm gray. Now, saffron gold is a darker version of yellow, just saying. If you are not familiar with the split complements, it's when you choose a main color, then use the 2 colors on either side of its complements on the color wheel. Check out a color wheel for reference. It's a great tool for building color schemes. I use alcohol-based markers when blending. Try to work while the ink is still wet. Alcohol markers dry fast. I color in small circular motions to help the blending process. For the background, I am using 2 shades of orange because orange is the complement of blue, and that contrast helps the letters pop. I will go in final details using pen and ink to finish the piece. Let's jump into coloring. Enjoy the music and don't go anywhere. because I have got more things to share.
Payments, no negotiations. It's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. You call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hesitation.
If you like me to draw your name in graffiti style, check out the links below in the description. You can visit my Etsy store and my website for custom artwork. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share it, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Ning Chong. Thank you for watching.